Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I am doing a do-it-yourself DIY hair mask for your hair. So I looked up a few different kind, and the one that I found most interesting, because I happen to have all the products in my house, was made of, it's a hair mask you put in your hair, let it sit, whatnot, and I thought I would try this at home. And instead of buying a hair mask, I'm like, oh, I have all these ingredients, so I thought I would put them in my hair, let it sit, whatnot, and then it's late at night, which is also why I look the way I do. I'm like a mess. It's after work. I'm gonna get ready for bed soon. My eye makeup is a mess because I just had like the giggles with my husband, and I don't feel like reapplying it because I was makeup everywhere. But it's about the hair again today. So we're gonna do this hair mask. I'm gonna keep it on for maybe an hour, maybe even longer. We'll see. And yeah, so, and then what I'm gonna do is then I'm gonna wash it out. And I don't wanna style it tonight because I'm gonna go to bed soon, so I don't wanna waste, why am I gonna do that? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning when I style my hair and see if it made any difference in my hair. I mean, my hair's dry, I have dry hair, but we're gonna see if maybe it made it any softer and whatnot. So what I am using is avocado, which I dread giving this up for my hair because I'm like obsessed with avocados lately, and well, not lately, always. And that was a good one. I ate half of that today. So I'm like, okay, I have half a banana, nice ripe one, and coconut oil. So I'm gonna put all of that in a container. I'm gonna mush it around. I'm even gonna use my hands. I'm just gonna like go for it. And we're gonna see if this really does anything for my hair, okay? These natural do-it-yourself. Got the banana in there. I'm gonna squeeze in. I knew that was gonna happen. The pit will come right out. So, I'm gonna get really messy right now, by the way. I'm gonna squeeze in the avocado. Make sure I don't eat any of it. It's kind of messy. Maybe I should have did this in my kitchen. Ugh. Okay. I'm gonna squeeze in my avocado. Okay. Oh my gosh. Then, okay. Ugh. And then I'm going to put, and there's no measurements. I'm just like, I did half a banana, half an avocado. And I'll do, not about measurements, even when I cook, I just put a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And I'll put like that much, which is a full teaspoon of coconut oil. And these are all supposed to be good for your hair. So let's find out if this is gonna make my hair feel all soft and supple. Okay, so I'm gonna literally mix it with my hand because, like, why not? I have to put it in with my hand, right? But first I'm just gonna kind of shake out any product that I might have in my hair just to make sure it goes through. Just kind of like doing one of these. Okay, because I don't want to wash my hair and then put it in. I think it'll be fine to just do this. Okay. Now my hair is really big. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this up with my hands. I don't wanna lie, this like smells so good. Do I dare taste it? Avocado and banana. Really good. Maybe I'll just eat it instead and I won't make this video. Oh my god, that banana was so ripe, so it's so sweet. Is that gross that I just ate like the hair mask that I'm putting in my hair right now? Okay, just go right in here. I was gonna go wash my hand, but why? I'm putting it in my hair, right? So let's do this, okay? Here we go. That's what it looks like. Okay, so we know coconut oil is good for your hair. Oh, how am I gonna, okay. Here we go. Oh my God. Ew. Ew, I shouldn't. Oh my God. Ah, it's falling down my back. I shouldn't have done this in here. I should have done it in my bathroom. Oh my God. All right, guys. Oh my God. It went down my shirt. Okay, I'm gonna go to my bathroom and I'm gonna do this in my bathroom and I'll be right back. That was so disgusting. I'm not even kidding you. I never put food in my hair before and it was so messy. And I had to put my head upside down in the sink or else it was just getting everywhere. But we'll see if this works. Like I never did the whole mayonnaise in your hair and eggs because mayonnaise, the smell of mayonnaise, the consistency of mayonnaise literally makes me gag. So not doing mayonnaise. I can handle banana and avocado though, as you could see since I ate it. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this on and I'm gonna hope that my dog doesn't try to lick my hair because she probably will. She's been following me around the whole day, the whole night I should say, carrying this concoction. So I'm gonna leave this in my hair for as long as I can. I'm gonna leave it in my hair as long as I can until I go to bed. It's literally, I put it in my hair upside down and I put my fingers through my hair and I massaged it all in there. So it's definitely, and interestingly, it was like the perfect amount. Perfect amount, half a banana, half an avocado, and a teaspoon of coconut oil. Yeah, so let's see tomorrow morning if my hair looks any better. I'm very curious. Let's see if it like moisturized it or anything, you know? So I'll see you tomorrow morning, or in your case, in about 2 seconds. Hey guys, okay, so it's the next day. So what I did last night is I kept it in for 2 hours actually, and I put like a cap over my head, couldn't think of the word, and yeah, like it was starting to stink a little like rotten bananas, but it was fine. So I kept it on 2 hours. I then rinsed it out, and when I rinsed it out, I felt like, I don't know, it didn't feel like so smooth or anything right away, but when I went to dry it, I saw that, oh, I think I need to shampoo because first of all, the smell was like overwhelming. And I noticed like I had like pieces of banana and maybe avocado. So I'm like, okay, I think I need to shampoo my hair. And I haven't shampooed in a while, so it was okay. So I shampooed my hair, felt all clean, refreshed, and then I just dried my hair, no product or nothing. You know, my hair gets really big. But I have to say, it felt soft, even with no product, nothing. My hair actually did feel softer. So this is the next morning. I conditioned my hair and in the shower and whatnot, and then I styled it. And I used my usual products. My hair feels good. It does feel soft. Does it feel dramatically different? No, but maybe, you know, I'm sure it did something to nourish my hair. Yeah, so all those ingredients, what I use, bananas has natural oils, which is great for your hair. The coconut oil, it like doesn't just coat it, it penetrates into your hair. And avocado is the same thing, like it's all good for your hair and moisturizing. It has extra vitamins in there. So if you just want to do a hair mask and you don't have one at home and it's too late to go to the store, look around your cabinet. Look in the cupboards and you might find what you need to make an at-home hair mask that is just as good for your hair as the ones in the store. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. And until next time.